Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm one of the students in Westtown Scientific Research class. This year, I've been doing research studying the effect of dietary cholesterol on the Alzheimer's disease phenotype in fruit flies. Even though we've moved to distance learning at home, I've been fortunate enough to have been able to continue my project at home. I'm planning on still making sure I have a final project and presentation at the end of the year, and currently my project is still going well at home. It's been a very interesting experience doing the same thing I was doing in the lab in my own house, but I'm very lucky to have the opportunity and to have been able to borrow resources from the lab to continue my project at home. However, on distance learning for the past couple of weeks, we've been learning about virus biology and virology as a whole, as well as going deeper into the coronavirus from a more biological perspective. We've watched multiple videos, one from Massachusetts General Hospital, a presentation done on the coronavirus, as well as we've done a lot of primary literature research and reading about the coronavirus. Throughout this whole year, we've been doing a lot of reading and analyzing of primary literature for our own research projects, which has been really helpful to better understand really intense and really complex scientific research projects. And this has really helped us been able to really understand the coronavirus better from primary literature. We've read some literature on the spread of the coronavirus, as well as some studies that are on potential treatments and other antiviral medications for the coronavirus. I've been able to kind of take this information I've learned in class and apply it to my other classes when we're talking about the coronavirus. I've helped others understand better the biology behind the coronavirus. I've talked with my family a lot at home about it, and my dad and I have been talking a lot about the coronavirus from a biological perspective since he was a doctor and has some background in learning about immunology and virology. But specifically with the coronavirus, it's been really interesting to have conversations not just about its effects in our in the world, but also the biological parts of it too. I believe it's really important for more people, especially the general public, to have a better understanding of the biology and the virology behind the coronavirus. Throughout the media, there's a lot of misinformation going around on potential treatments, on what the virus actually does to our bodies. And throughout this time, I've been learning about what the virus actually does and how our immune responds to the virus and invading into our bodies. I really feel like this is important for the general public to kind of combat that misinformation and to take away that unnecessary fear that this misinformation can provide. And it's really important that people have a greater, more objective, factual-based understanding of the virus in general. I feel like for some type of final project, it would be really fun to create an informative type of presentation or video educating the Westtown community about the coronavirus. It would also be really interesting to explore how we can share this with the general public to help people have a more factual based and objective understanding of the virus instead of having to hear all this misinformation from the news and the media, which can be it's a lot to take in all at once. So I think it's really important for people to have this more factual based understanding. The work we've done over the past couple weeks has been really eye opening for me, especially diving into virology, which is a topic I haven't really experienced a lot before. And I'd like to thank my class as well for being so open to new ideas, open to exploring new things. It's been a really fascinating time, not just learning about it, but learning about it with everyone else too. This class has been a great group of people to work with, especially when doing our projects in the lab for the past couple months. But now that we're at home, everyone's just staying positive and trying to learn the best they can with what they have at home. And it's been really interesting to see what they're learning about as well.